Here we got a 2.7 liter Charger, 2010. Here's where the thermostat housing goes. Now, you've got a weep hole right here. I got my finger over it. Boom. It goes to the water pump. Now these gaskets fail and leak, and the water pumps fail and leak right out of the same spot. Kind of stupid. So you want to know, even if you're looking at it, they're going to fail at the bottom, the thermostat housing. So even if you're looking at it, it's hard to tell if it's coming from the weep hole or from the thermostat housing. So right on the bottom of the thermostat housing, you've got a little groove here at the bottom where the gasket fits into. And you got this little hole in the thermostat housing, which can cause a leak if you overheat, crack it, whatever. So you want to know what to change. Either way, you want to get the power steering pump out of the way, whether you're doing a timing kit on it or the thermostat housing. So get your power steering pump out of the way. There's 3 bolts in the front of it, 10 millimeter. You can shove it off to the side. Then if you want extra room, you can take the bracket off. It's 3 13 millimeter bolts. Easy to get to once the power steering pump is twisted out of the way. And what you can do is fill up your reservoir with water. And at that point, you can get your finger over this weep hole and see if it's still pouring out. If it's still pouring out, then it's going to be your thermostat gasket. Thermostat housing gasket, cracked housing, water outlet, or the O-ring inside this aluminum pipe. See that O-ring? That can leak too. So either way, whatever job you're doing, get the power steering pump out of the way, and then you'll know what to change.